JJ9 Games back with another video. And today, I had a genius idea. And you know what it was? I wanted to pack Goetze or De Bruyne really, really bad. Okay? And these new packs came out. And I thought, you know what? If I opened a pack specifically for Bundesliga, I could have a higher chance of getting Goetze. So you know what? Guess who's trying the Bundesliga packs? Me! And we get Bentner, our first pack. Yeah, not good. Yeah. I'm honestly not expecting anything good, because these packs usually are never good. Yeah. I'm probably going to try a few BBVA packs. And our best player in that one is Betstuber. And we get if you get a Canadian in your pack, you know it's a pretty bad pack. Okay? I'm sorry, that was a horrible joke. Okay, let's try our first BBVA pack. Are there actually any BBVA good informs? I don't think so. But you know who's good in the BBVA? Ronaldo and Messi. So I actually think these packs could be somewhat good for me. So yeah, it really won't. But hopefully EA just gives me some luck with these BBVA packs and helps me pull like a Ronaldo or a Messi, or well, no, I'm not. I want Ronaldo and Messi, but I'm not gonna get them. I'm just not, because these are 15K packs, and I've never seen anyone pull a crazy player from a 15K pack. I think I have a few more BBVA packs in me. Then I'm calling it a BBVA day. Yeah, so this is going to be our last BBVA pack. Hold on. I'm going to skip. Well, no, I'm not. I'm just not going to look. I got a trophy. What'd I get? I got no one. That sucks. We got Gabby. So, let's try 3 Bundesliga packs. Then we're going to end the video with a 100K pack. I don't know. 2 more packs. I'm going to skip this one. Who do we get? Yeah. And the last pack. I'm just not going to look. I'm going to walk out the room. Who do I get? I'm going to look. It's Caligari. Yay, just who I needed. New standard. This is my best player. Okay. So, what's that? A 12.5K pack. Wow, these packs. I'm gonna try a 12.5K pack. See if that will work. And it gets us a better player. A better player that I got in the... That's my best player in the entire pack opening. And he sucks. So, what is this? This is like a jumbo random item pack. Yeah, I'm not feeling it with this one. But I'm going to try it again. Come on. That's not bad. That's our best player in this pack opening. That's great. That's absolutely perfect. Let's try a premium bronze pack. And then we're going to go to the 100K. Yes, we get a really bad... No, I'll keep all of them. And finally, 100K pack. Not going to look. Walking out the room. Who do we get? I heard some good noises. Maybe that means we got some good players. So far, I see Carrillo, Dos Santos, De Guzman, Sergeson, De Santo, Wazenhol, Sarah, whatever, no, Yay, Nintimiritz, no, Awuna, Kagawa, Kolarov, Diego Alves, Mavila, Hize, Bender, Perez, Villani, Trishwishwez. That's not bad. That's not good. Yeah, it's great. No. Last one. I'm just not gonna look. I'm right here. I'm just not gonna look. I saw a flash of something good on the wall. Maybe I actually got something good. Maybe just no. No, my best player was Huntear. Okay, guys, that's going to be the pack opening. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.